Do you want to work from anywhere in the world or from the comfort of your living room? If you answered yes, this course is perfect for you. We bring you a complete step-by-step guide for guaranteed success. Throughout this course, you will learn all the secrets you need to land a successful and fulfilling remote job that you love. In this course, we will share with you everything we have learned during the last 8 years working and recruiting remotely, and the life experiences from senior remote workers and recruiters that most people and companies don't share. This course is for you if you are willing to spend a few hours and ask yourself some hard questions about what you like, what you are good at, your short and long-term goals, your personal and professional skills. And using that information, we will guide you through the entire process to plan your remote success. We will help you create a killer resume, help you plan a successful elevator pitch, find and apply to the most suitable remote jobs, and even prepare you for your interviews. This course will cover everything you need to know and has all the information and knowledge you need to find a well-paid and fulfilling job in an established remote company. Every chapter has practical exercises to help you figure out your journey. And by the end of the course, we dedicated an entire chapter where we share everything we wish we knew when we first started. That will save you a lot of hard work and a lot of money. We will provide real examples and tips for you to replicate. By the end of the course, you will have already applied to several job positions and be on your way to achieve your goals. We want you to know that you can work remotely and have a healthy and balanced life with some simple changes. And those small adjustments will have a huge impact in your professional and personal life. We are really excited to have you here with us to learn about remote work and how you can achieve it. Let's get started!